All right. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Farrell coming back at you one more time, showing you once again how to make the passive income for 2021. Now, this is not any financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. Simply showing you some things that I have found, things that I've been doing to make money online passively, and just keep the money flowing and keep it rolling. So today I want to show you something that was just introduced to me. And it's a bit risky, but everything you do online is a risk, and I understand that risk. So I just want to show you guys what I'm experimenting with and what I'm checking out, so that we can go ahead and get more money earned passively over and over and over again. All right, so today I am going to show you a little bit something different. Now, we've been talking about smart contracts, Tron case, Tron Moon, other things like that, and I want to show you this program that actually does earn very quickly without needing to have any referrals at all. You just simply set it up and you start earning, and it's a great little program. Let me show it to you right now. Okay, this is a program just shared with me recently, and it's called TronLine. Now, I'll be honest, I have not done a whole lot of due diligence with this, so I suggest you do your own due diligence. But I saw some information, checked it out myself, jumped in, got results, and I've been in for literally probably 30 minutes now, So this is brand new, but I'm going to show you guys live what I'm experimenting with, what I'm testing out, so you guys can go on this journey with me. I'll take the risk, you just watch the results. And if you decide if you want to take the risk, get your own results. But anyways, the way this program works is that you basically make a deposit or make a contribution or investment, whatever word you want to use. You put money into TronLine, and everybody who comes into TronLine comes in a straight line. Okay, it's a line, TronLine. So what happens is that the system actually gives people to you. So you get people placed underneath you automatically. So the next people joins the program, they don't have to join with your referral link. They can join somebody else. They're all going to get placed under this one line. And the program's actually designed to pay you above and below that line. So let's take a look. So this is me. Just got started a few minutes ago. Put it in 1,000 Tron to test it out. And you currently see I am at the $1,000 level. So there's different levels. There's 500, there's 1,000. 2,000 Tron, 3,000 Tron, 4,000, 5,000, 15,000, and 50,000 Tron. Okay, I chose to come in at the 1,000 Tron level just to give it a try here. And what happens is when you're placed in the program, you'll have an actual what's called an upper community, which is going to be 20 levels above you, and you have a lower community, which is going to be going down 8 levels below you. Okay, I believe that's right. And essentially what happens is when you put your money in, whenever other people come into the program as well, you're going to get paid based on where they fall in the line. So you don't have to do anything. You're simply getting paid from other people in the community. At the same time, when you go to withdraw, you actually are going to be looking at a new feature here where if you set to withdraw your Tron, 60% of that will get reinvested back into the TronLine community, and 40% will actually go out to your wallet. So with this money going back into the community, it keeps the money flowing. Okay. At the same time, each time someone does a reinvestment or does a withdrawal, it's going to cause them to reinvest 60% every single time. 40% goes to their wallet. But that 60% is going back into the community. It's going to add to your investment right here, okay, which is going to build you up to the next level so you can reinvest in the next level. Because essentially, you can only earn from people who are on your level or below your level. You can't earn from people above you. So with me, I can earn up to 1,000 Tron because I'm on the 1,000 Tron level. So I can earn anyone who joins between the 500 to 1,000. I can't earn on the 2,000 level because I'm not at that level yet. That's what I'm working on now. And so far, since I've been in for 30 minutes with my 1,000 Tron, I haven't shown this to anybody. I just joined, and then I started making this video to show you guys, my loyal passive followers. And I've earned 186 Tron in the last 30 minutes. Actually, less than that. It's only 30 minutes because I had to get my laptop opened up to get the recording going. But let's do this. Let's go ahead and refresh. Let's see where we're at now. So I'm going to refresh, and 186. Oh, I'm at 348. Okay, so just like that, I put in $1,000 Tron about 30 minutes ago, and so far I've gotten back 348 earned. So if I decide that I want to, and it shows you here, 101 of that Tron came from my upper community, people above me, and 247 came from my lower level, people from underneath me, below me. And here I am, right here, level 0. This is me at 1,000 Tron. Okay. I haven't done any repurchases yet, so you see there's no repurchase here, but I'm now authorized in green all the way up to level 12. So I'm earning from all these people on level 12. Okay, so when they make these reinvestments, I earn a percentage of the Tron for them, and I think this is pretty cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make a live withdrawal for the first time right here live with you guys, and let's see how this works. So it says now if I do 348 withdrawal, because I've earned 348 Tron right here, and I have no level of income earned because I haven't shown this to anybody yet directly. And then so if I withdraw the 348 now, I'll reinvest 60% of that, which would be 208, and 139 will go out to my wallet, which is 40%. Now, if everything goes well, this 208 is a reinvestment, should add to my investment here and say 1,208, which is going to put me on the road to my 2,000. And then once I have earned enough for my next level, I can choose which level I want to upgrade to, and then click the reinvest button. So let's go ahead and do it live, and let's show you guys how it works. Before we do that, let's take a look at the wallet, see where we are currently in the wallet. Okay, there's my 1,000 Tron that I sent over. So with that, I currently have 390 Tron left. So up 290, 100 of it's frozen, so I got 290, 390 total. So let's go ahead and see what happens with this 139 is about to hit. Matter of fact, before we do that, let's refresh one more time, see if we get above 350. Oh, there we did. Refresh. We're at 357. So see that? I'm earning money while I'm sitting here talking to you guys. For the last 7 minutes, I've been earning money, showing you guys how this works. So let's go here, 357. All right, so that'll give me 214. We'll go back up here to my investment amount. 142 will go out to my wallet. All right, as you see, I've got no partners yet. I haven't sponsored anybody at all. Here's the referral link. Here's the upline code of the person who showed me, and here's my wallet address. Now, once again, I'm logged into my TronLink wallet. I've put the referral link I was given into my browser of my wallet. On the computer, that's my Chrome browser. On your phone, that would be your browser inside your Klever wallet or your TronLink wallet, whichever wallet you're using. So let's go ahead and withdraw. Let's see what happens. Submit. All right, withdrawal request made successfully. Boom, look at there, investment, 1,214, just like we thought. All right, and now I've got 11 more Tron I could withdraw there. This is my total earned so far. Let's refresh that. Okay, so I've earned 370 so far. So like I said, I've got now 13 Tron I can withdraw right now if I wanted to. Let's go check the wallet, the most important part, and see what happened with our money. Let's refresh. And there it is. 135. So the 135 came out. 214 went back into reinvestment, and it looks good. So that's it, folks. So in 30 minutes time, I've deposited 1,000 Tron into the program. I've gotten withdrawn 135 within 30 minutes right back to my wallet without referring a single person. Nobody knows about this yet. You guys are the first to hear about this. And I've also got 214 reinvested, which puts me back on track to earn from the 2,000 purchase level. So that's the basics, guys. I'll come back to you later and I'll show you a little bit more detail on what I learned about this. But Oh, I'm sorry. Looks like I've gone down 18 levels deep on below me, because it's all in green. And above my 1,214, there's my recontributed reinvestment. Above me, I'm got 12 levels authorized up to 20 levels there. I also know that if you go here to office, you can see your partners. This would be if you have anyone join you. Say nobody's joined me yet, so you guys are seeing this live and fresh and making money without having to recruit a single person. You go to statistics, you'll see all your statistics of how the lower and upper community is earning. So you can review all that at your own convenience time here. And matter of fact, let's look at this. This is my idea here. Let's see if I can locate myself. Copy. No, not in there. Maybe do it manually. What's that? 405-782. Yeah, I'm sure I'm in here somewhere. But anyways, before we get off track too far, I'll look at that later, because the important thing is it's working. As soon as I got in, I'm earning $393 now. As I refresh, I can withdraw 36 right here. Go back to office, withdrawal history. There's the withdrawal history. I withdrew 357, 214 went back in, 136 went to my wallet. So that's it, folks. That's TronLine. Now that you know about TronLine, if you want to get started, I'll leave the link below this video. So when you get ready to register, I want to show you guys this real quick. What you're going to do is you're going to take the link and you're going to copy that link and paste it into your browser of your wallet, because you want your wallet to automatically connect to the website here. So you have an automatic registration right here, right? So when you're logged into your wallet, I can't show you now because I'm actually already registered, but when you log into your wallet, you're simply going to copy that link the person gave you from your email address or your Facebook Messenger or text message, whatever, paste it into the browser of your wallet. For me, since my computer is going to be the browser of my Chrome browser, because I have my TronLink wallet extension. And then it's going to show you here, this is the ID of your inviter, so that should be listed on your referral link. So if you look at your referral link you were given, the last few character numbers there should display on the page as your inviter, as the ID of your inviter. You're then just going to select your package of how much Tron you already have in your wallet to contribute. And then once you choose your package, you'll hit register. That'll go ahead and connect you with the website and pull those funds out to begin your journey. That will get you set up and start earning right away. Please also go ahead and like this video and tell me what you think in the comment section below. I will also ask you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you get added to my YouTube list. You get notified about all my new videos that I put online. When you hit that bell icon, so hit the bell icon as well. And that way you guys are always informed about new passive income streams like this one that do not require a single referral, and you start earning right away. I mean, it's looking good. So I'll follow up with you guys, show you my progress, and thanks for going me along on this journey. Once again, this is Brian Farrell signing out. Have a good night. Peace.